Man, this market is getting killed. My name is Glenn, senior instructor here at VectorVest. Glad to be here, but even more importantly, I'm glad to be able to share some information with you because it's all about us helping to feed the nation, VV Nation. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to fish, tell you what's going on in the market, and then if you stay with me to the end, I'm going to give you some fish to take advantage of this market. This is the market. We got a lot of yellow on our color guard, but still nothing has changed as far as the primary wave. Primary wave is still down. Today, the market's down again, all right? And it's just going down. And a lot of people are asking me, well, just how low can it go? Let's go to our market timing graph. From our market timing graph, here's the market. Now, why is this important? Because our market timing looks at over 9,000 stocks, more than just the Dow, which is looking at 30, or the S&P, which is looking at 500, or NASDAQ. We're looking at over 9,000 stocks to give our subscribers a better view of the overall broad market. We've been having our customers out of the market by way of our fastest indicator, the primary wave, ever since September 15th, 2023. Now, everybody who's a VectorVest subscriber, was that good information for you? Type a yes in the room. I want people who are not VV subscribers to see what's happening with the VectorVest subscribers and has that information saved their portfolios. For many of you, you'll say, well, that's after the fact. You should have told. This is when it was happening. September 15, 2023, we got our subscribers out of the market by way of our fastest market timing indicator. All right. So what things could push the market lower? Well, how low could the market go? Now, if you can see here, we've got a classic head and shoulders. We have a shoulder, a head, a shoulder, and a neckline. Here's my neckline right about here. And I drew a line that represented from the top of the head down to the neckline. All right. And what that means, this is a bearish formation. What this means is the market should be able to go down from the neckline to the value of about $53.40. And we're currently trading at $55.19. So theoretically, folks, we can go down as far as the VectorVest composite to $53.40. That's a few dollars more to the downside. Now, a lot of you don't want to hear that. Don't want to hear the market's still going to go down. Guess what? I'm not here to tell you what you want to hear. I'm here to tell you what you need to hear. Right now, the market's got more downside. Could the market rebound from here? Absolutely. But theoretically, we've got some more downside. Why else do I say we have some downside? Oil on the rise, inflationary. Banks, regional banks still haven't reported their losses. That's a bubble. Credit cards. People are spending money, but they're putting it on their credit cards. That's a bubble. Commercial real estate. People are still working from home in droves. That's a bubble. Congress shenanigans, separating the government, separating the economy, separating the markets. That's an issue. And the China economy is still weak. They are the biggest purveyor of goods globally. So the market, with all of the negative stuff that's going on in the market, we have some more downside. But the market is definitely oversold at this point, looking at our MTI and buy to sell ratio. The market is looking for a bottom. Yesterday, we had a pristine candle known as a hammer. Did the market respond? No, it didn't. Again, a lot of negative connotations going on in the market. Let's talk about now giving you a fish. But before I start to give you any fish right now, I need everyone to understand that based upon the VectorVest system, we are not telling anybody to buy any stocks. What I'm going to give you as fish today are going to be from the technical side of stocks that are moving, but nobody here at VectorVest is telling any of our subscribers to buy any new stocks. Two things I can tell you: cash is a position and patience is a virtue. Those are the two things that I would really want you to walk away from, but I know that there's a lot of people out there who are always going to come and look for the fish. So from that perspective, I've got 4 stocks to give you which are fish worthy, but they're based on the technicals. They are based on the technicals, and I still want to back up by saying we're not telling anybody to buy any stocks at this time. I'm going to graph all of these stocks with the near perfect indicator, put on a 3-month graph. Synopsis. Interesting in that the stock is giving a signal to go up. The trend is there. I would wait to see if this stock can break above its 3-month high of 471.09 before I pull the trigger. This Hollister, Holosys, definitely in a trend, down day to day, faded the gap, came back up right off of the 3-month highs. The signal is there as well. Looking at PetQ, drug biomedical, the trend is intact, moving up. In signal right now, I would wait to see if we get a buy on an up day. Talk, signal is there. It's got some upside on the momentum side. Bottom left, top right, I'd only buy on an up day. Folks, that's it in a nutshell. Very short and to the point. I want you guys to understand that we're not telling anybody to buy stocks right now. The fish that I'm giving you are technicals. These are stocks that are moving up even though the market is moving down. You do with it as you wish. Folks, we're all about here to feed the nation, whether I teach you how to fish or give you a fish. Hopefully you enjoy this going into the weekend. And if you're doing well in the market utilizing the VectorVest system, put it in the comments. Let the people know who are not subscribers what you can do here at VectorVest. If you're brand new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon. If you liked what you saw here today, giving you the real news about what's going on in the market, make sure you hit the like button and share. Folks, this video is over. And until the next time, see ya. Hey, VV Nation, you know that we can analyze any stock in a matter of seconds. Do you want to analyze any of your stocks for free? You want VectorVest to tell you what you really need to know about that stock? Well, you can. If you go to www.vectorvest.com/YTFSA, you can get a free stock analysis on any stock that you're currently holding or are possibly looking at. Folks, what do you have to lose? Do that now and analyze any of your stocks in a matter of seconds.